In this video, we will learn German for beginners. This session number 4 today gonna be in English, and we will learn today vocabulary. Vocabulary, if you have and you know a little bit German rules or formulas, then you can easily talk in German. So without wasting any time, let's start. The first word is der Mann. The man, it's mean the man, and the article is der. But in English it's simply the man, but in German it's der Mann, and you have to write it down on your notebook. Die Frau, the woman. So die Frau has the article die. You have to learn every noun with their article, otherwise you will not gonna success in German language. Das Kind, the child. Das Kind, the article is das, is neutral. If you don't know about der, die, das, neutral, you can learn in my last videos. Die Kinder, the children. So what is der, die, das? It's nouns, and we will say it in German, and I make already on this a video. You can go and check the other videos. Der Herr, gentleman. We say it in German also if we write any letter, or we can say just like if we don't know someone or for respect, der Herr. And the article is der, die Dame, lady. The article is die, and it's mean the lady, woman. We can use it anywhere, but you have to learn the article. Das Mädchen, girl. So article of Mädchen is das, and it's mean girl. It's really difficult to say why they are like this, but we have to learn like this. Next is die Leute, peoples. It means many peoples, and the article is die, and they are plural, mean the more people. Let's move on. Der Student. Here you have to give little bit time to this. Student mean the student, you know, but it is mean the boy student. You have to learn the article also, der Student, and you will know if their article is, then it is male student. Die Studentin, it's mean the girl student. You will see it from the article and from en. Die Studentin, the girl student. It's mean the female student. Next is der Studentin, students. It's mean more students. Just like 5, 2, 3. Students mean plural. No problem. You give time to this, and then you will learn it. Wasser, it's mean water. So this I will give you some vocabulary now in this video, and then next video we will try to make some new sentences using this vocabulary in this video. Next one is Tee, it's mean tea. These words also have some articles, but this I will tell you later on, because now it will be difficult for you and you learn just the other articles. Next is Milch, it's mean milk. I will give all the things for the drinking, because we will gonna learn in next video trinken verb. So next is Saft, it means juice. So there is article of the Saft, but I will give it later on. It means juice. We will talk in this video about only drinking things. Cafe, it means coffee. In English we say coffee, but in German you have to write it down on your notebook. The spellings also you have to memorize, and make sure don't be so fast. Next one is cola. It's the same like cola in English. And one more thing, if you also write it down, and then you will have this plus point, you will have this in your mind. Next is cacao, chocolate, milk. Somewhere we say we have some Müller milk or this kind of things. It's mean chocolate milk for drinking. Let's move on. Some next, Apfelsaft. It means apple juice. Make sure that you write this on your notebook and you revise this, And if you miss anything, then you can watch this video again. Next is Orangensaft, orange juice. So in this video I tell you about some drinking things like cola, orange juice, apple juice, and let's wait for the next some videos, and then you will know how to use them in words. Thank you for watching the video. If you are new in this channel, then do subscribe. Any questions, ask in comment box, and thank you for watching. See you in the next video.